Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have the new Wonderboom 4 speaker from Ultimate Ears, Bluetooth speaker, and you need to do a hard factory reset to the factory default settings on it. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this speaker is not pairing with your device, or it's pairing but there's no sound coming out, or if it's not connecting to Bluetooth, if it's is bugging for some reason, a factory reset can fix a lot of those issues. The second reason you might want to do this is just whatever reason where you want to have it forget all of its pairing history, so you can set it up like a brand new speaker. It's a really easy thing to do. All you need to do on this speaker is you're going to come in and find the very easy to find volume down button, and then on the top in the front there is the power button. You're just going to press and hold those two buttons simultaneously for about 10 seconds, and that will reset your speaker into its factory default mode, at which point you can go ahead and set it up like a brand new speaker. And if it doesn't work and you want to get a new speaker, I'll put a link in the description to a great speaker at a great price.